TP-Link RE200 AC750 Wi-Fi Extender Setup. Easy step-by-step installation guide. Unbox the TP-Link RE200 and plug it into a power socket near your. Wait until the power LED turns solid green. Press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the TP-Link RE200. The RE-LED will turn solid green, meaning it's connected successfully. If you want to extend 5 GHz also, repeat the same WPS step for the 5 GHz band. Once connected, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and weak signal area. Plug it into a power socket at the new location and wait for LEDs to stabilize. Connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. SSID will be similar to your main Wi-Fi, with *X at the end. If WPS doesn't work, connect the extender via phone, laptop to its setup Wi-Fi and configure it using the TP-Link Tether app or TP-Link Repeater.net.